I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes low budget. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab some milk, an egg, and a small amount of oil or melted butter. These simple items are usually inexpensive and readily available, forming the foundation of delicious, budget-friendly pancakes. Now let's mix our batter. In one bowl, combine your dry ingredients, making sure they are well distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and oil or melted butter. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until everything is just combined. Don't overmix. A few small lumps are actually desirable for fluffy pancakes. Time to cook. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat, adding just a small amount of oil. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another minute or two until golden brown and cooked through. This ensures a perfect texture. Finally, let's talk about budget-friendly toppings. You don't need expensive syrups to enjoy your pancakes. A simple sprinkle of sugar and cinnamon, or a spoonful of fruit preserves, works wonderfully. Fresh fruit, especially when in season, adds great flavor and nutrients without breaking the bank. A small drizzle of maple-flavored syrup or honey is also a classic and affordable option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.